Hi, I'm Sofia and this is Markets Overview just before the markets open for the new trading week. It's Sunday, 19th of February 2017 and the time is 22 GMT right now. So starting from EURUSD and always using Ichimoku Kinko Bollinger Bands, fractals and stochastics, on the monthly time frame, looking at the bigger picture, we see that the bottleneck that has been formed by the Bollinger Bands is a very narrow one, and it looks like a breakout is coming, and most possibly it's going to be bearish. That's the picture we have on monthly. On weekly, we had already a swing high above the median Bollinger Band, but theoretically it's not completed yet. Although a bearish candlestick has closed below the median Bollinger Band, we don't have a bearish candlestick closing below Tenkan-sen and Tenkan-sen sloping downwards. So if we could take the trade from weekly, we should wait, although weekly is not a tradable time frame. On daily, it looks like the price, we had a bottleneck, a funnel opened, the price already made a statistical validation up to the median Bollinger Band, and now it's getting ready to continue falling. That's the picture on daily. But on H4, the Bollinger Bands, the three Bollinger Bands are forming a range. Yes, the range wants to be completed. That's the picture here. And 70 pips move remains till the price reaches the lower Bollinger Band. If you want to go for those 70 pips, then you should enter from a smaller time frame with the median Bollinger Band going down and having a Kumo between your entry and your stop loss. I don't see an ideal picture to enter from H1. Definitely don't enter from H1, because although the median Bollinger Band goes down, the price is moving at the lower Bollinger Band right now, and you want to enter after a fresh swing high above the median Bollinger Band, preferably followed by a bearish Kumo breakout. And this is going to take a few hours before it happens. So biases are bearish for the pair, but wait for a better entry, for better entry conditions, and ideally the best time frame to enter from would be H1. And you can place your take profit target above the lower Bollinger Band on weekly, or around the level of 1.0388 if you want to be more conservative. This is GBPUSD, and starting from the monthly, we see that this bullish reversal candlestick pattern is taking almost forever, but again we see that the price wants first to touch Tenkan-sen level and then eventually to go all the way up to the median Bollinger Band, touching even Kijun-sen plateau level. And while we have that picture on monthly, on weekly the bottleneck is getting narrower, and that means that we should expect an explosive breakout on the pair. And although the picture looks bearish right now with stochastics going down and the price balancing at the median Bollinger Band, the leading Kumo says a different story. But again, we can't make any decision based on weekly. Let's go down to daily. Daily time frame. we see that although the median Bollinger Band turned downward and made a knee, and stochastics keep going down, the price found support on the Kumo, and we shouldn't ignore this fact. Let's go to H4. We have the price making a strong effort to break through the Kumo on H4 unsuccessfully, but it hasn't gone far away from it, and it looks like it will make one more effort to break above it. Again, we can't make any trading decision with the median Bollinger Band being slightly sloping. It may turn flat at any moment. Let's see the picture on H1. On H1 the picture is clearer. We have a clear inclination of the median Bollinger Band. It goes down, but the price is not where we want it to be. We want it to make a swing high above the median Bollinger Band, then a bearish candlestick close below the median Bollinger Band and below Tenkan-sen, and of course below the Kumo, in order to take a short trade. And if we take that short trade approximately at the level of 1.2415, we would place our stop loss above the upper Bollinger Band, ideally here above the curve at 1.2541. That means we could take 125 pips risk. It's not a small risk, and we could go for a take profit target above the lower Bollinger Band on weekly at 1.2186 level if all our short entry criteria are met, and we are going for 220 pips. But again, the sell scenario doesn't look pretty real for now, very realistic. The price will rather try to make a strong bullish Kumo breakout on H1, and that will signal a successful bullish Kumo breakout on H4, and the move is going to be huge. So I would avoid taking a sell trade on GBPUSD, and I would be looking only to buy the pair. This is USDJPY, and let's see the picture for the pair. On monthly, it looks like it made a swing high above the median Bollinger Band, but of course the price is far away from closing below Tenkan-sen, and Tenkan-sen sloping downwards. And let's see the picture on weekly. On weekly though, it looks like it really wants to go down for now, but the price will find strong support on Kumo, and stochastics start making a bullish crossover, although the price has not clearly interacted with the median Bollinger Band. We only had a spike pointing to it but not touching it, so we can't make any clear decision based on the picture on weekly. And on daily, although we had 3 strong bearish candlesticks closing and the picture showing that the price wants to go down, stochastics are already inside oversold zone, and the leading Kumo is bearish with flat top, and this is a bullish reversal Kumo pattern. So we may see a weird picture, and we may see everything turning upside down here. And here is the beginning of an upward move on H4. We see a broken funnel, a broken bell correlation pattern from the edges of the upper and the lower Bollinger Bands, the price trying to go up, stochastics going up, kids and sand being flat, and there is a distance of 86 pips to the median Bollinger Band, and till the time the price reaches that level, the Bollinger Bands will be in range, so it's highly possible that the price will go all the way up to the upper Bollinger Band, crossing almost 200 pips. And right now the biases for the pair look more bullish than bearish. This is EURJPY, and although the picture looks bearish on monthly and on weekly, on daily it looks like the Kumo will contain the price and will support it and don't let it fall much lower. And this is H4. If the current candlestick closes bullish and the next one is bullish, and stochastics make a successful bullish crossover below 20 level line and then both cross above it, then we should be expecting an upward move not only till the median Bollinger Band, 80 pips from where the price is, but all the way to the upper Bollinger Band, and that's 160 pips plus. Again, it's good to wait from H4 to have a clearer picture on pairs through intentions. This is USDCAD. For USDCAD, the biases look rather bearish on monthly because we had this huge spike here on top of the upper Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Bands forming a narrow bottleneck, and stochastics plunging deeply below the 80 level line and going straight down. The only possibility for this picture to change is if we see a very strong swing low below the median Bollinger Band with a bullish candlestick closing above the median Bollinger Band, above Tenkan-sen, and Tenkan-sen sloping upwards. If that happens, yes, everything is possible, including an explosive upward move. On weekly, we see the price trying to make a statistical validation to the median Bollinger Band, and if it succeeds, then it's going to be a 187 upward move, 187 pips of upward move, and it's not a bad idea to go after those pips. Not from daily, because the price is balancing at the median Bollinger Band here, and do we want a clear inclination, or in order to take a trade from daily, we want the price to be either at the lower or at the upper Bollinger Band. So we go to smaller time frame, and here on H4 we see that the price has not interacted with the median Bollinger Band, so it's not an ideal entry. We have to wait for the next interaction, and that would not be enough. We want not only a bullish candlestick to close above the median Bollinger Band, above Tenkan-sen with Tenkan-sen sloping upwards, but we also want to see a fresh bullish Kumo breakout, which in this case looks like it will take a few hours. So we have to wait patiently, looking to buy the USDCAD from H4 after a fresh swing low below the median Bollinger Band combined with a fresh bullish Kumo breakout.